Welcome back to Tech Premier. Today I am going to show you the new cute mini humidifier. This humidifier comes with a USB rechargeable and it's got with the rose color and whiten, so much cute, and it comes with the atmosphere lamp. Let's see how it works. This is the cable USB and the humidifier. Oh, actually they not give us the picture. Actually they give green color. I think my mistake. I have, yeah, they have give a green color. So let's see, and then I need a power bank. Okay, my power bank have here. Let's see how it's functioning. And inside, inside got the thermometer that take the water to, oh my gosh, what the heck. So this is the one, is a sponge cotton. So this will be take the water to blow the moisture to the air, and facing on the head of the tumbler. So let's see how it works. So we pour some water into the tumbler humidifier. There's a head, the support in the tumbler head. They'll just plug in the cable connection and close up tightly. So here we're going to on. Now it's already. Can you see if the color change? I close my light. It turns into few colors: green, yellow, and then blue now, and then purple and turquoise. Very beautiful colors. Now the humidifier is functioning when I feel very cold, because I actually put cold water, so that's why. Thank you. See you again in the next video.